Welcome to this video. We are going to look at the mathematics quiz test 1 on the track simple test which my student did, and let's just do some revision here. All right, simplify. There are only 3 questions by the way. Simplify 2x minus 3y close, then open negative 3 open y plus 2x then close. This is simplification, meaning we need to expand the brackets, then have to expand or reduce by collecting the like terms. So how would we do that? All right, so first we expand. So this part is positive, that's why it's blank like that. So positive and positive get positive. So 2 times x, you get 2x. And positive times negative, you get negative. 2 times 3, 6. You add the variable that we're dealing with, y. Negative and positive is negative. 3 and 1. Remember that if you see y, it just means y like that. So there's a 1 in front, which we don't show for professional reasons. All right. Then we get 3y. Negative and positive, again, we get negative. And then 3 and 2 get 6. Then the variable is x. Step 2 is we collect the like terms. So we have 2x and another negative 6x having x there. Negative 6y minus 3y. Same signs we add and maintain the sign. Different signs you subtract, and then your answer gets the sign from a bigger number between the two that you are subtracting. So these are different signs because one is positive, one is negative. We know that our answer will be 4x because we are going to subtract them just like normal numbers. But the sign will come from the bigger number, which is 6. So our answer is negative 4x. Same signs we add and then we maintain the sign, meaning we have negative 9y. So come here and report negative 4x minus 9y. Question 2 is completing, this is the difference of 2 squares. How do we do that? Look at 25. 25 can be written as 5 squared. Do you agree? Correct. Then x squared remains. 1 can be written as 1 squared, which just is still as 1. Now, why do we do this? Well, the difference of 2 squares allows you to factorize an expression in 2 parts. Those parts, you start by opening the 2 brackets and then closing them. Then you get the number that you've already raised to the square. So which is, so put 5 there. Because x is attached to 5, meaning you are going to put x there. You repeat the same, you put there. The number below, the one that has been raised to the power 2, you write it there. Then you can interchange the signs, whether positive or negative. Doesn't matter which one you start with. So that is my preference. You come here like that. The last question is evaluate 0.001 over 8 to the power 2/3. All right, now this question can look like a challenge, but it's not. Here's the thing. You can write 0.001 as 1 over 1000. Do you agree? Exactly. Then I'll say divided by 8, but everything is being raised to the power 2/3. The power 2/3 tells you that this 3 here, you need to look for a number that you can raise to the power 3 to give you 100, the number that you can raise to the power 3 to give you 1, the number that you can raise to the power 3 to give you 8. And we know that a number that you can raise to the power 3 to give us 1 is just 1 to the power 3 itself. And here it's 10 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3 is 8. You do it like that. Okay. Then you can see that the power here, the power is common. So you can take it out. All right. Since the power is common, you can take it out. Meaning you have 1 over 10 divided by 2. Then you put 3 there. Then you open the curved brackets. You have 2 to the power 3. So that and that can cancel. Meaning you are going to remain with 1 over 10 divided by 2. And everything is being squared. Now, of course, we know that 1 over 10 divided by 2 is the same thing as 1 over 10 times 1 over 2 squared. Meaning 1 over 10 is being squared and 1 over 2 is being squared. Meaning this is just 1 over 100 times 1 over 4, which will give you 1 over 400. just like that. 1 over 400. Of course, maybe it can give you 0.00, should be 25 like that. All right. So yeah, that's all. Okay, that's all. All right. That is what you need to keep in mind.